Watch out you don't get yourself into some Schietwetter when you're trying to solve this puzzle. If we try to just fit 4 of the umbrellas into the frame, we can't get 4 in with this one, but if we take the smaller one, we should be able to get a 4th one in here, but there's still no way to get that 5th umbrella into the frame. This is the Schietwetter puzzle. The goal is to fit all of the umbrellas into the frame. It's a level 9 on the scale of 5 to 10. To solve the Schietwetter puzzle for yourself, go get it at puzzlemaster.ca. So if we take this larger one over here, we can place this one like this. Then we should be able to place another one next to that. If we try take one more and add it up top here, you can see there's still no way to get those last 2 umbrellas into the frame. So instead, let's take out the umbrellas and let's start with this one over here on the bottom. Then we need to use this one in this corner. And I know it doesn't look like this is going to fill this space, but don't worry about that. Next, if we take this piece, we can place it up here. Then we can use this one to fill the top part of this frame. And lastly, we should be able to fit this piece perfectly within the frame. To see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.